This is my new Conical Burr Coffee Grinder from Secura, and I am going to do a quick unboxing video before I make a longer video that shows all the different grind settings that this guy has. It has 35 different grind settings, and I'm going to use this grinder to test out some espresso makers, a drip coffee maker, some cold brew coffee, and a pour over coffee as well. So really excited about this because this should accomplish all the different grind settings I need to test all the different coffee makers that I have to test. Let's get this unboxed and see what we have. Quick start guide, nice little instruction manual, and the manual has on the back of it a bunch of other products that Secura offers. Here we go. That is our receptacle. That is the reservoir for our beans and the unit itself. Here we go. All this extra nonsense out of the way. I'm really curious to see in this design how the grind settings are chosen because I couldn't tell that from the listing before I bought it. Okay, this is our coffee receptacle, and it has a little hole on the top and a nice little rubber plug to plug it up to keep it somewhat sealed so that not too much oxygen can get to it. Let's go ahead and open that. Set it in there. I haven't read the instructions, so I'm making a lot of assumptions here. Let's get this guy open. Okay. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. In the lid, you've got little slots for it's got a little scoop in there that attaches to the lid so you don't lose it. If you're like me, I am constantly losing accessories, so that's fantastic. And in addition, there is a little brush for cleaning the burr, cleaning the little pieces of it. So that's pretty awesome as well. I did see, yep, there we go. In the listing, I did see that they showed the burr being removed for cleaning with the little brush. So I love that these accessories are right here in the lid where I'm not going to lose them. Boom. Go there. You go. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory. It only really seems to fit in one way. I see there's a little arrow here next to the unlock. Okay, that's how the setting is chosen. Once you drop this in, there's a little arrow here that you put in right next to the unlock icon, and then you just twist this. And as you twist it, I'm going through the different settings: 35, 34, 33, 30, 25, and based on what I'm choosing with that arrow, you can hear it clicking the different settings, it is adjusting my grind to the more fine grind all the way up to the coarser grinds here that are marked as French press. And that's one of the things that I kind of liked about this when I saw the listing for it, is that it's got the different settings that you might want for it listed right on front. You've got espresso, you've got drip or pour over, and then you've got your French press settings as well. And your mileage may vary. You're going to want to experiment with the different settings of grind, but I'm going to see if I can try all 35 grind settings and see if I can tell the difference. Then on the front here, we have a little knob that you can turn that will choose how much coffee you're grinding, and it will turn itself off once it reaches the desired amount. So that's pretty awesome as well. Power button here. I don't have it plugged in right now, but I can't wait to try this out. So these are the things that you get. I'm going to review these instructions, but I think from what I've seen so far, it's a pretty intuitive little machine. So as long as it grinds the way that I want it to, I'm really happy with this so far. So stay tuned and we'll show you what it looks like when we're actually using the grind settings.